Friends, do you think it's possible to have free unlimited Wi-Fi internet all over world? The answer is yes. A Chinese company Linkshore Network is planning to launch free Wi-Fi internet service worldwide. For that, company is planning to send 272 satellites in space and will invest 431.4 million USD in this big project. Linkshore Network is a leading internet service provider company in China and want to mark its presence with global tech giants like Facebook and Google. So company will send first satellite in 2019 and will send 10 more satellites in 2020. This will take few years to complete this big project as it will need 272 satellites to cover whole world, and company is planning to invest 431.4 million USD into the project and expecting to provide free Wi-Fi internet worldwide by 2026. So let us hope that world will have better internet experience in future. I hope you find this information useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.